question. I am Evan. I am 5. I am a boy. I like meat. I have pedigree with my dog. My dog is black and he is a boy. I have a dog called George. She is a girl. She is brown. I am Cotton. I am 6. I am a boy. I have blonde hair and brown eyes. I have a dog. Its name is a boy. He likes to bite. His name is Ruby. My dog is white. He has blue eyes. His name is Peyton. My mum has black hair. It is short. I like my dog. My dog is brown. He has green eyes. His name is Chief. My dog's name is Sky. Sky has black paws. Sky has a red collar. Sky has green eyes. Sky runs really fast. Sky lives in a cage. Sky is a lady. Sky is a Labrador. Sky is a puppy dog. Sky is a really cute dog. Me and my dad are going hunting. He has black hair. His name is Frank. My puppy at my big head. He has to look after me. I have a pit bull. His name is Joe. He is black. His eyes are black by Jack. I have 2 dogs. They have a green and blue collar. They like balls. Their names are Sensu and Punch. Sensu is golden, Punch is black and white. My mum has got blonde and black hair. My dog's name is Jess. She likes to play with balls. She is black and white. She likes to stare at water. I am making my dog with Duffy. My cat is brown with green eyes. Thank you for coming to our show to see the lake.